Introducing the WeldMax Ultrasonic Spot Welder. It's the industry's most powerful system, delivering up to 10,000 watts of output power at 15 kilohertz, creating solid-state, ultra-reliable welds that outperform conventional methods. Sonobond engineered the WeldMax Spot Welder for use on bus bars, electrical terminals, and heavy-gauge wire, even tinned copper wire. It sets new standards for speed, efficiency, and durability. Consider the benefits it delivers. It welds non-ferrous metals and can join assorted parts and wire gauges in one assembly with repeated accuracy. Unlike traditional welding, no external heat source, current, solder, filler materials, or fluxes are required. Taper lock tips can perform up to 50,000 welds. Operation is simple, with minimal upkeep and little to no pre-cleaning required. And you can use less power and still get the high-quality welds you need. The WeldMax system uses Sonobond's patented wedge reed coupling system to apply high-frequency ultrasonic energy to the welding tip. This vibratory force disperses surface oxides and films, creating a true metallurgical bond without melting the materials. The result is stronger, cleaner, and more reliable welds every time. WeldMax machines deliver strong welds and reliable electrical connections for a variety of industrial applications, including automotive wire harnesses, high-voltage cable terminations for electric vehicles, heavy electrical grounding connections in power distribution or industrial electrical installations, coil connections in HVAC and refrigeration systems, railway and transit electrical systems, and aerospace wire harnesses. Upgrade your operation to WeldMax Ultrasonic Welding Performance. Maximize efficiency, eliminate consumables, get stronger, high-performance welds.